We're back out here on Project Chevelle, doing a little test driving. Just got our new Flowmaster 2.5-inch American Thunder exhaust on there. Slip together exhaust kit, tucks up underneath the car real well. The tone in this car is mellow, enjoyable, but you can always just hit the pedal and wake it up whenever you want to.
Yeah, it sounded really cool with open headers, but now it's obviously a lot more tame, a lot like a new Camaro with a catback on it. It sounds really cool, actually. You know, it doesn't beat you up and drone inside the car, but outside the car you can still hear it. You can still tell it's a 430 horse engine. Pleased with it, and it all bolted together. I mean, we laid it out literally in the middle of the night just to see what we were up against, and an hour later it was all but completely bolted together. The only welding we had to do was on the header collectors, but you know, even if you didn't have a welder, you could mock it up in a local shop and do that. So I'm pretty pleased with it overall. I can't wait for the next phase here, and you guys can keep watching on Facebook, YouTube, and the toolbox at our website. Thank you.